To connect your GoSquared project with Zapier, head to the Zapier website to create an account and click Make a Zap. The first step is to create the GoSquared connection. Simply search GoSquared from the list of available apps. You can then define a triggering event or action for this Zap, such as when a user enters or exits a smart group. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your GoSquared Zapier project token into the field. To do this, log into your GoSquared account and head to the integration section of your settings. Find the Zapier integration from the list and click Install. Next, copy the Zapier project key before heading back to paste it into the field in Zapier. And it's as easy as that. Your GoSquared project is now successfully connected to Zapier and ready to configure your first Zaps.